Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to present International Conference on Inventive Research in Engineering and Technology in the topic of the design and develop program to support and promote of online learning system for elderly using M-Learning by Miss เบญจภักดิ์ จงหมื่นวาย I'm from นครราชสีมา Province in Thailand. Introduction. The quality predict in 2020 of year or next 8 year to increase 15% for elderly. The elderly is requirement service in many dimensions for seeking develop owner and grouping. The important elderly is wanted to the happiness both of physical and mind, economic and society for success of parents. Recognition behavior is to support healthy level of good. The most of elderly people can be founded a club of elderly in local government and into training for career of self and group. Therefore, the researcher team have studied and developed program for design and develop program to support and promote system of online learning for elderly by mobile learning in นครราชสีมา Province. The next slide is related work including of author, topic and detail and year. The detail of knowledge warehouse and artificial integration of knowledge management, decision support, artificial intelligence and data warehousing in 2002 of year. This research proposed the elderly was often unfamiliar with computer technology and can encounter great difficulty in 2010 of year. The topic is ubiquitous mobile health monitoring system for elderly HMSE was designed to monitor the elderly his mobility, location, health status and fall incident in 2011 of year. Mobile learning is M-Learning enable anytime, anywhere learning because of people carry mobile device with them most of the time. In 2012 of year, the goal has guided in the right Korean elderly who participated in society and many good things to the public to continue as learning. In 1992 of year. Finally, in case study learning for elderly using mobile device focus on a practical study about language learning in 2012 of year. This methodology of research is objective to 1. Design and develop online learning system for elderly and 2. Test the system by backward testing. The next slide in the figure 1 is research framework into part 1 consists of user, web browser, web server, user input of data. The part 2 is independent variables consist of age, sex, career, income, group, elderly form occur into data. The part 3 is smart learning elderly system form occur grouping, order by and calculate of data. The part 4 is data warehouse for learning is data to keep input database for e-trend such as video, picture, detail factors, and data the author. Then the system can online learning process of real time and connection to internet anytime on smartphone. In addition, the research framework used to support learning online for elderly in lifelong learning model with owner. Smart Learning Elderly System is mobile application for media learning or application program for searching knowledge and concerning the news, such as healthy, local wisdom, digital economy, and household industry for people occur income in community. The output result is assessment user to develop online learning system after that already. Then the result can use to software engineering by black box testing. This proposed work in feature 2 5 steps of online management learning system for development. From feature 2 5 steps. 1. The collecting data. This research is study elderly data in Nakhon Sima province consists of factors such as elderly group, career and income, local wisdom, knowledge, and entrepreneur, which we have studied data as 1. Study and collect detailed data for worker community that's contained by local wisdom for elderly in Nakhon Sima province. Number 2. Study and develop online learning management system for elderly. The practice skill or knowledge are connection process start to be finished. Assembly cashier, worker, entrepreneur, group 2 logistic process of receive. Number 3. Study development of process online learning management system for elderly. And Number 4. Study development of process on Android operating system. The second, design and development system that we have analyzed system consists of design database and data warehouse of media learning, which the method has concerned internal and external data. The third, development system that we have developed online learning management system by real-time from HTML language, PHP and Java on Android operating system for interactive with users. Assembly capture, click video, audio, push button. The fourth, assessment and rating by users that we have used tools for assessment, example, lecture, interview, and questionnaire for requirement analysis of media learning and measure attitude for elderly. Then we have trained online and shared the number of people on hundreds of lists. After that, we have presented the result from assessment. The fifth is tagging result and improvement error from users that we have tagging number of users from online learning system total of 4 weeks, which it has improved an error and additional work from usability system. We have presented the smart learning elderly system in feature 3, which design user interface into detail described by 10 menu in table 1 on smartphone of user. In the table 1, explain menu from smart learning elderly system 10 icon menu. For the example, the new is functional user open website the news and detail for user click link and read the news on smartphone. Icon to electronic online menu. The user open media electronic use online digital. Assembly capture YouTube social network. For the example detail for user click and play video with device by type of learning user from the first login. The assessment of menu, questionnaire of content, user can selecting and calculate score. Contact expert. Functional user is chatbot by message from admin and interactive with user. User can typing word for elderly such as greeting, exercise, or travel. In the figure 3, for the example number 9. Number 9 is consist of chatbot, chat message online. In the module experiment, we have test module experiment by black box testing, which it has test case designed without any knowledge or internal or structure and based on the same specification that used to develop the software in the topic of chat message online. Searching the new electronic online chat and social network institute corporation place assessment game and exercise. Then the example modules are tested by black box shown in figure 4 to figure 7. In the figure 4, black box testing by chat message module consists of input, process, output, result that to explain. Number 1. The input setting data is variable assembly schedule containing message, receive start, with time you choose, calendar and reply received by coding data of message. Chat message online is module for testing by black box that considered element chatbot online message learning. In the figure 5, black box testing by searching the news module consists of input, process, output, result that to explain. Number 1. The input stating data is variable assembly schedule, content, topic, date time, period of time, users by coding data for searching the news. Number 2. Black box is tested by coding with searching the news for usage from database and data warehouse for learning. And number 3. Searching the news is module for testing by black box that considered element the news by user. In the figure 6, black box testing by electronic online. From figure 6 consists of input, process, output, result that to explain. Number 1. The input setting data is variable assembly schedule, YouTube online, URL, topic, content, period of times, by coding data for electronic online. Number 2. Black box is tested by coding with electronic online for usage from database and data warehouse for learning. Number 3. Electronic online is module for testing by black box that considered element by user. And finally, figure 7, black box testing by chat and social network. From figure 7 consists of input, process, output, result that to explain. Number 1. The input testing data is variable assembly schedule, login user, URL website, share online, post online time, by coding data for share and social network. Number 2. Black box is tested by coding with algorithm, share and post for usage from managed input data. And finally, share and social network is module for testing by black box that considered element by user. The next slide is conclusion. We have presented the Smart Learning Elderly System. This research objective to 1. Designed and developed online learning system for elderly, and number 2. Tested system by black box testing. From the result, elderly assessment was number 8 up to 75-year-old, that's sex of female, 99.1%, with finished education in level diploma, and number of members in the parent at least 3 to 4 of lead and selling career. Therefore, we will design and develop user interface on smartphone. Total of 10 icon menu on homepage, which is was size icon and font very big for elderly. Group third was convenience. Found this value average equal to 2.34 and standard deviation equal to 1.90. Then we have designed electronic online social network and expert menu for contribution to communication learning online with group elderly. The result was design and development system that experiment by admin use of black box testing. When admin input into data for test process that found decoding chatbot message can be working in real time and cannot of error. Moreover, module chatbot can be connected data warehouse for learning online by message. The second module is searching the news module that found user can searching data in the topic and content on off list. The third module is electronic online consists of variable YouTube online URL, topic, content, and period of time, which users can be open media, electronic, use online, digital. Moreover, user can click and play video, which divided by type of learning user from the first login. The fourth module is share and social network that's found that control message or content which non-algorithm share and post are stored into database on the website. Finally, in the future, we have assessment usability testing by elderly user because the system can be improvement and plan learning to support promoting career for elderly. Thank you for your attention.